Hello defense aspirants, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. Welcome to the session on Elementary Mathematics Section Analysis for Combined Defense Services Examination, that is CDS. In this session, you are bound to know what are all topics there in Elementary Mathematics syllabus, and based upon the previous trends questions analysis that I'll be describing to you in this session, you will have a clear idea about what are the most important topics from the syllabus are there for you to focus upon to clear the elementary mathematics section in your upcoming CDS examination. So let us start with our session with the components of CDS mathematics syllabus. Components are nothing but these are the main topics in the elementary mathematics syllabus. Alright, so the very first topic is arithmetic and elementary number theory, then unitary method, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, mensuration and statistics. So based upon these 7 main topics in the elementary mathematics syllabus of CDS examination, I have done the analysis of previous papers for you to make you understand how the questions are varying year to year topic wise for these all 7 topics in this elementary syllabus of CDS examination. So here is the very first topic analysis, that is of arithmetic and elementary number theory. As you could notice here that in the year 2020, there were 15 questions in the CDS 1 exam. In the year 2019, there were 17 questions in CDS 1 exam and 18 questions in CDS 2 exam. Whereas in the year 2018, there were 12 questions in CDS 1 exam and 14 questions in CDS 2. Whereas in the year 2017, there were 13 questions in CDS 1 and 7 questions in CDS 2. Coming to the year 2016, there were 16 questions in CDS 1 and 14 questions in CDS 2. And in the year 2015, there were 17 questions in CDS 1 and 12 questions in CDS 2. So what all these figures are explaining to you? You can here closely notice that the list question number, that is the list number of questions were part of previous CDS examination on this particular topic arithmetic and number theory were 7 in number, and the highest number was counted to be 18 for this particular topic. And as you could notice, the questions were varying between this range. There were certain 15 questions or 12 questions, 13 questions, 14 questions out of the 100 question. So hence, in upcoming CDS exam paper, based upon the topic arithmetic and elementary number theory, you can easily expect questions between 7 to 18 range, which can carry 7 to 18 marks out of 100 marks exam paper. As you know, the marking scheme for the CDS mathematics section, that there will be given 100 questions for you to appear for, and each question will be carrying 1 mark. Right. So based upon that, 7 to 18 questions indirectly means to you that 7 to 18 marks which you could get for this particular topic out of the 100 marks question paper. Looking upon to the next topic, that is unitary method. Unitary method based, there the list number of questions were part of the CDS examination in the year 2016 and in the year 2020. As you could notice, they were 10 in number. And the highest question counted were 20 in number for this particular topic in CDS examinations previously, mainly in the 2018 CDS 1 exam and 2015 CDS 2 exam. And hence to make you understand here that if the question on this particular topic will be part of your CDS exam, means they will be in the range of 10 to 20, which will carry 10 to 20 marks out of 100 marks exam paper. Looking upon to the next topic analysis, the topic algebra, which is also the one of the important topic. As you could notice here, the list number of questions were part of CDS examination previously were 13 in number, and they were part of in 2015 CDS 1 exam. Whereas the highest count for this particular topic up till now was the 28 questions, and those were part in the CDS 1 paper of 2016 year. So the highest question 28 and the list question 13 were part of CDS examination previously for the topic algebra. So hence, in your upcoming CDS examination, you can easily expect to have 13 to 28 questions out of the 100 question paper, which will carry 13 to 28 marks out of 100 marks. Alright, here is the next for you to understand its analysis and the number of questions previously part of it. Look here that in the year 2020, there were 14 questions in the CDS 1 exam, and apart from that, the highest number was 16, and those were the questions which were part of CDS 2 in 2018 and CDS 1 in 2015. Whereas the list number on this particular topic, trigonometry, was counted to be 5, and those 5 questions were part of CDS 2 exam paper in the year 2019. And questions are easily varying between this 5 to 16 range. There were certain times 11, certain times 12 and 14 questions respectively. So, in your upcoming CDS examination, you are bound to have at least 5 questions on this trigonometry, but at most 16 questions. So, questions from 5 to 16 range are highly expected in your upcoming CDS exam, which will give you 5 to 16 marks if you are very much good at trigonometry concepts and if you are prepared very well for your upcoming examination for this particular topic, right? Which is the score out of the 100 marks paper, right? Looking upon to the next topic analysis, that is of geometry. Geometry based, there were 10 questions in CDS 1 exam of 2020. But the highest number counted up till now for this particular topic, 22 in number, and that was only once, and the 22 questions were part of CDS 1 paper of 2016 examination, and the list number was counted on geometry to be 6. So 6 questions were part of CDS 2 paper of 2016 year. And you could see that the question numbers were varying for this particular topic geometry as 9, sometime 14, 13, 18, 11 and 9. Hence, in your upcoming CDS examination based upon the topic geometry, you can easily expect the questions varying between the range 6 to 22 in number, which will carry 6 to 22 marks out of 100 marks exam paper. Now let us go ahead with the next topic analysis, that is of mensuration 2D and 3D, and this is another important topic which is part of your CDS math syllabus, mensuration 2D and 3D, and this topic base the highest questions were counted in the recent year 2020 in CDS 1 examination, that is 26 in number, and the list count was 10 questions, and that 10 questions were part of CDS 1 exam in 2016 year. So, the questions, as you could notice here, were varying between this range 10 to 26. Sometimes there were 17 questions, sometimes there were 25 questions, which is exactly one question less than the highest count. So, on this particular topic based mensuration, in your upcoming CDS examinations, you are about to expect the questions varying between 10 to 26 in range, which carry 10 to 26 marks out of 100 marks exam paper. Now, looking upon to the next topic, the last topic but not the least, the statistics topic, on which base the list question were 5 in number, which were part of CDS 1 2016 and CDS 1 2015. But the highest count till now was the 11 questions for this particular topic, and the 11 questions were part of CDS 1 2019 and CDS 2 2016. So, based upon the statistics in your upcoming CDS examinations, you are high to expect the questions varying between 5 to 11 range. Minimum 5 questions or maximum 11 questions on this particular topic statistics you can easily expect out of the 100 marks paper, which will give you 5 to 11 marks, right? So, as we are done with the analysis of previous exam papers, we got to know topic wise what were the list questions and what were the highest number of questions, right? So, based upon the previous exam papers analysis, here is the list of topic I am providing to you to must focus upon. So, most important topics to focus upon for you are as follows. The very first topic is arithmetic, and for this topic arithmetic, I would recommend you to prepare must for number systems, logarithms, powers and surds. And the second topic, unitary method. Prepare this topic completely. This topic consists of all the subtopics like percentage, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, speed, distance, time, work in time, ratio and proportion and variation and so on. So all the subtopics are highly recommended for you to prepare very well for this particular topic. This topic were counted the highest question numbers up till now. And for the topic algebra, thoroughly prepare for the algebraic operations, identities, quadratic equations and inequalities, linear equations in one variable as well as two variables both. And coming upon to the next topic, that is trigonometry, I would suggest you to prepare this trigonometry topic thoroughly, which comprise of ratios, identities, equations and the heights and distances topic. So prepare trigonometry thoroughly. As you notice, the highest questions were counted in the recent years, that is in the CDS 1 paper of 2020, right? Then talking about the geometry, you can prepare for triangles, quadrilaterals, circles for compulsory, so that you can appear easily for the questions from the geometry topic. And prepare the complete topic, that is the mensuration 2D and 3D as well as the topic statistics. These are also highly important topic, and mensuration 2D and 3D, as you know, is a simple formula based chapter wherein you're supposed to know areas and perimeters formula and surface areas and volumes formula for the 3D shapes, right? So prepare thoroughly these two chapters so that you can get full score for all the questions which were part of your upcoming CDS examination on this particular topics, mensuration and statistics, as these two topics are scoring topics. So do not miss to prepare these two chapters. All right. So I hope by now you are very much clear upon what are all topics there in the CDS elementary mathematics syllabus, as well as you also know what are the most important few of the subtopics from each main topic for you to prepare must to get the good score in the elementary mathematics section of your CDS examination. So you are just a step away now, because you have to subscribe to our courses, download our app to start up with your preparation. Because let me tell you, we have covered all these main topics with its each and every subtopic in detail with the video lessons, quizzes, study material, mock tests and many more. Subscribe to our courses, download our mobile app and start your preparation from today. Jai Hind.